Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Bautista Sares, and for today's video, I will discuss about the propagating sound. So, they have a kind of propagating sounds for the animal to animal, human to human. So, audible range, infrasounds, and an ultrasound. So, yan po yung tatlong sounds na identify natin. So, example of propagating sounds are the sounds that we hear everyday life. So, ito yung mga gitara, busina, yun po. So, yung iba naman ay for the animals lang. Hindi naman po lahat ng sounds ay maririnig natin. Minsan sa animals lang. Yun po yung naririnig nila sa kanila lang. Sila nagkakaintindihan. Minsan naman, tayo lang. So, first, alam nyo po, ang slinky, alam nyo po ba yung slinky wires, yung toys? Po, inahin tulad din po yun sa propagation sounds. Kasi yung sounds wave nyo po, nagwe-wave. Also, like a slinky wires. So, audible range refers to the range of the sound frequency that can be heard by the woman or animals or other animals. So, ito po yung naririnig na animals and humans. So, ito po yung mga bagay na lumilinaw sa mga animals or sa humans. So, ito po yung comfortable sa ating tenga. Yon. Next is infrasounds. Sometimes referred to as low sounds, describe the sound wave with the frequency below the lower limit of audibility. Hearing becomes the grateful less sensitive or frequency decreases. So, for human to preserve infrasounds, the sound pressure must be sufficient high. So, yun po. Minsan po kasi, sensitive yung ears natin. Yan po. Yung mga minsan pinapakinggan natin sa mga headset, hindi rin po maganda yan. Kasi, nakaka-apekto talaga yan sa ating ears. Yung ibang sounds, yes, it will kill us. Kasi it will damage our health. Yeah. So, can infrasounds kill? Yung sounds din po pala ay nakakapag-kill. Yes, that's true. So, at high volume, infrasounds can directly affect the human central nervous system. Cause the disorientation, anxiety, panic. So, yun na nga. Sa sobrang lakas, nakaka-apekto talaga to sa atin. Radiation, ganun po. Yan, mga radiation sa mata, yun nga po yung nakakabulag. So, next, which animal use infrasounds? Animal confusion, whales, elephants, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, so, and others that is used in infrasounds. So, ultrasound is the wave with frequency higher than the upper auditable limit of human hearing. Ultrasound is different from the normal sounds. Is a physical process except the human cannot hear it. So, yung tinatawag na ultrasounds, for the animals lang po yun, hindi po natin naririnig. Mga ng bats, po. So, next is the ultrasounds is the very high-pitched sounds we cannot hear. Yun nga po. Ultrasounds is we cannot hear our ears. So, is ultrasound safe for women? So, wala pang sinasabi na nakakapatay or nakakakos ng effect yung ultrasonic sounds. Wala pang evidence. So, sa pakikinig at paglalakas ng mga volume ng mga cellphone natin, ingatan po natin kasi nakakasama po talaga to. Hindi po to maganda sa ating kalusugan. Kaya habang maaga pa lang, protektahan na natin ang ating ears. Kasi hindi po madaling mabingi. Po. So, thank you for watching my video. So, please subscribe my channel and please like and click the notification bell for more information. Thank you!